Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept integer n playing cricket teams, and team name and home ground name. We must create a schedule for the matches in the tournament, and the details must be of the form of host team name versus visiting team name. In bracket, host home ground's name should be printed. Now let us consider for our test case. In this test case, the n playing cricket team names are given. So these are the four teams. These are the n playing cricket teams. And these are their home ground. First you have to print, that is Chennai Super Kings, and the second team Kolkata Knight Riders. Host team name versus visiting team name. So Chennai Super Kings versus Kolkata Knight Riders. In the bracket we have to print Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai Super Kings home ground name. Now after printing the first match we have to reverse this, that is Kolkata Knight Riders Kolkata Knight Riders versus Chennai Super Kings. In bracket we have to print Eden Gardens, and for the next match we have to print Chennai Super Kings versus Mumbai Indians. And also for Chennai Super Kings and Royal Challengers Bangalore, in the same pattern we have to reverse it. So you can see here, let us copy and paste it here. Chennai versus Mumbai and Mumbai versus Chennai, Chennai versus Royal Challengers and Royal Challengers versus Chennai with their home ground name. And for next match, Kolkata Knight Riders versus Mumbai Indians, which is holding at Eden Garden. So Kolkata Knight Riders versus Mumbai Indians. And for the next match we have to reverse it, Mumbai Indians versus Kolkata Knight Riders. And it is holding at Wankhede Stadium. And for the next match, Kolkata Knight Riders versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. Which is held at Eden Gardens. And next, Royal Challengers Bangalore versus Kolkata Knight Riders. We have to reverse it, that is, which is held at Chinnasamy Stadium. And for the next match, Mumbai Indians versus Royal Challengers Bangalore, which is held at Wankhede Stadium. And now for the last match in the schedule, Royal Challengers Bangalore versus Mumbai Indians, which is held at Chinnaswamy Stadium. Now this will be the schedule for N playing cricket teams, and this is the required output. Now let us see the pseudocode for solving this program. First we have to accept the N as input. Now let us declare two variables called team name and ground name as empty list. Now let us iterate using for loop and accept the input for CTR 0 to CTR of N. We have to accept the input string as input. We have to use split here, so use split of in bracket hyphen. Now after accepting the input string, we have to append the string to the empty list, so team name dot append of input string of 0th index. We have to append the input string of 0th index to the team name, and as well as for ground name dot append input string of -1, that is the last index. We can also use 1 here because the input string contains only 2 strings. So after appending, let us have a for loop for CTR 0 to CTR of n-1, and we have to use strip function here because it will eliminate the leading and trailing spaces, so we have to use strip. Here also we have to use strip in the ground name dot append input string. So after this for loop, we have to run another for loop for index ind of CTR plus 1 to ind of n. Now after this for loop, we have to print the schedule. So first you have to print the host team name versus visiting team name. So print team name of CTR versus comma, you have to print versus, which will be in double quotes, and team name of index ind. This versus should be in double quotes. Team name of index comma and we have to print a open bracket plus ground name of CTR plus we have to print a close bracket here. This will print the first match. In the same way, we have to reverse and print it. So let us copy and paste it. Team name of IND and versus team name of CTR, and in the ground name we have to change as IND. This will print the reverse of the previous match, and this will be the pseudocode for solving this problem.